Hello, I'm Daniel from XDcode Tech, and I'm going to tell you how to scrape and export the comments under a Twitter tweet to CSV. First, install the TwCommentExport Chrome extension. You can find the link to the Chrome Web Store in the video description. Copy the URL of the tweet you want to export, open TwCommentExport Chrome extension, paste it, and then click Start Export. Let's speed up the scraping process to save time. Currently, due to Twitter's limitations, only about 200 comments can be displayed under a tweet, even if you keep scrolling to the bottom. With our extension, you can export more comments, but comments marked as irrelevant or offensive by Twitter may not be scraped. Let's take a look at the exported CSV. It includes information such as the commenter's name, handle, bio, whether they can be DMED, location, comment content, comment time, reply count, quote count, retweet count, like count, bookmark count, view count, and the URLs of images or videos appearing in the replies. This allows you to better collect comment information or perform data analysis on the comments.